In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a PDF into Manychat. If you've ever wondered how to share a PDF file with your Manychat audience easily, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through a simple process that only takes about 5 minutes. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to use a cloud storage service such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Manychat doesn't allow direct uploads of PDF files. Instead, these files need to be hosted externally so they can be shared seamlessly. Begin by uploading your desired PDF file to your preferred cloud storage service. Once your file is safely stored in the cloud, you are one step closer to sharing it with your users. Now the next step is crucial, obtaining the shareable link for your PDF. Access your cloud storage and locate the PDF file you've just uploaded. Most cloud services offer a straightforward process to generate a shareable link. Simply select your PDF file, then look for the option to share or get a link. This action will produce a URL that you can copy. Once you have that link, it's time to incorporate it into Manychat. Head over to your Manychat flow, the sequence where you plan to offer your PDF to users. Within Manychat, you'll want to add a message element. This is where the magic happens. Paste the cloud storage link into this message element. Doing so ensures that your users will be able to click on the link and have direct access to the PDF through their browser. Before you wrap up, there are some important considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, ensure that your PDF link's access control is set to anyone with the link. This setting guarantees that users won't face any barriers when attempting to view the PDF. Secondly, consider the file size of your PDF. Large files may take longer to download, especially on mobile devices. If possible, try to optimize your PDF to reduce its size without compromising its quality. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can integrate PDF files into your Manychat flows, enhancing user engagement by providing valuable content efficiently. It's a simple yet effective way to enrich your audience's experience. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you feel more confident in your ability to share PDFs within Manychat. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.